they first of all threw that water bomb. When we had ball, then they ran, went inside through library, open it to know whether what is actually happening there. When we went there, then my colleague, Innocent Oba, trying to peep from the window. Immediately he was pooping there, they blew another one again. Then the fire surrender us. We don't even know how we escaped, only God saved us there. Then when we came back here and climbed this rear gate. Immediately God helped us, we climbed the rear gate. Then we started hearing a heavy gunshot everywhere, and then that time was around 1:45 a.m.